Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning Python with Coursera, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start learning Python with Coursera, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Coursera website at www.coursera.org. Create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the Join for Free button to sign up. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a password. After signing up, verify your email if prompted. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top. Type Python in the search bar and hit Enter. Browse through the list of Python courses available. Look for courses with high ratings and positive reviews. Select a course that matches your skill level and interests. Click on the course title to view more details. Read the course description, syllabus, and instructor information. Check if there are any prerequisites for the course. If satisfied, click on the Enroll button. Some courses may offer a free trial. Check for this option. After enrolling, navigate to the course dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and course materials. Start with the introductory videos and readings. Take notes on key concepts and coding examples. Complete the quizzes and assignments to reinforce your learning. Engage with the course community through forums if available. Set aside dedicated time each week for studying. Practice coding on your own outside of the course materials. Explore additional resources like Python documentation or tutorials. Consider joining online Python communities for additional support. As you progress, work on small projects to apply your skills. Stay consistent and keep track of your learning milestones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.